last weekend, Romain Febvre tried...
Febvre, he gets down the inside, and he has made the move!
...but was denied at his home GP at La Capelle, Marival.
While Hurling takes over the lead.
But the capacity crowd were delighted as Tom Viel triumphed in front of the French fans. With 6 rounds of the FIM Motocross World Championship left, we find ourselves here at Intu Xanadú, Arroyomolinos, at a track custom-made for the demands of MXGP, and which proved very popular with the riders and teams on debut last year. We're also within touching distance of the delights of the Spanish capital, a breathtaking melting pot of architecture, culture and cuisine, with few equals anywhere on the old continent. The stars of tomorrow have recharged their batteries and will be back in action in the European Junior e-Motocross Series, a fine warm-up for the main event, the MXGP of Spain.